Hello and welcome to the tutorial. When a new correspondence package is created, it's indicated by the content type beginning with drop-off. To convert this into a command services package, go to the N01 Alpha Attention Required link. Select the instruction by going to the drop-down menu to the right of the name. Select Edit Properties, and from the Content Type drop-down, select the same type of package that the drop-off title contains. In this case, it's an instruction package, so in the drop-down, I will look for Instruction Package. You'll be presented with additional fields that are mandatory, one being, who is it accepted by? Select yourself and for the current status of the message and the package, select whatever state the package is in. In this case, it's still awaiting assignment, so I'll select staff work and assignment. You can enter any additional comments and save. You'll notice that the package still remains in the section requiring attention. And that's because a person has not been assigned yet. If you look at the assigned to N01 Alpha, there is no assignment. See the next video on how to assign personnel to this package.